asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyukuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda umsialia utagiti showroom yeito nigo ere engale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokie riso lyao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati yiga ntobwate team ya tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao unabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibego babwate boomerang ayuare aye chigage emeronge tato asama mabati alia ye chigage emeronge bere na Isano na Isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate yigani kabwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Grey, Brick Red, Tile Red, Maroon, Sky Blue na boigo na Green obutambe bwe mabwate yiga niko bokolengana amo nukwenya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya amabati yiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabati yu akomenya segeka ayo uchanye warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango eduke yiga ya ouru superstores yego toka se nyumba ya ouru complex imiyo chuyigo busongo iyo erangene duka Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakire simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Zuku, home of quality entertainment with reliable internet and affordable satellite TV across the country. For $29.99, get your satellite TV dish and decoder with strong signal. Enjoy crystal clear channels, kids shows, sports, local dramas, Nollywood, Nat Geo, and more for $4.50 per month.
Chomorgira Getembe Chinsa Isano na Ibere cheritko erigari ya Jumaine chitariki 15 mutenyero ya 11 mwakano yuwechiri 2025 chinga kitoikira semesa Ekeonga tokoretere amagia gosebuna agendere gwateka kurwa chinsemo anemono ensemeria ya siasa na tokumanye chins atigo setokumanye egati ari agenderete kurwa chinsemo abo asobo chorio boke borachigo korekana Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere senchira yobo ngenchengoro kwa Catherine Nyaboga Vanessa Nyaboga nera gongonya cross umuntu uri manyiriro makwis studio yakabere nera kwaneke buna chibichechi na Mario gingo ikirachira senchira ere yobo ikrano kabana intuguika omwero na togo chaka kurwa senseme yo ya siasa anemono kwerobira gwechinsemo osio bwobochori oboke obuburachi okorekana chitariki emerongebere naisa na Ibere ose chitariki 27 ange aramisi wiki gocha ritkoria rero nigo mokonyi bo moraiwense omoske professor Abraham Kithure Kindiki mwaziri bo bokoreri bwa serikali omoske Geoffrey Ruku na boigo abaraibande kure county ya Embu anemono korwase kiama kirikia UDA bare imeye bungeri ya Mbere North eriyo kumwoko boko na boyo kumubwatese ase chi campaign chaye Omoske mthende oyora chie kobore obojumbe bwebunge yu nse yekiama kia UDA kokwana korase bunge yu moske kini goteba ni osene igagenda kumwakera eko kumosko yu asateba ni garache kobera ase bunge yu goika rituko chikure chuchiraire gose goika chitariki 25 na Isano.
Lakini tujue ya kwamba tuko na wale wengine vijana wetu wanaomba kura. Hata hao ni vijana wetu. Kwa hivyo mambo ya kura sio mambo ya kupigana na vita kama hakuna kesho. Huwezi kupigana na ndugu yako kutupa mawe. Hiyo mawe inaweza gonga jirani yako, igonge mama mkwe, igongwe kijana wa jirani. Wale wageni wamefika hii Ibere North kwa mara ya kwanza wiki hii, waambiwa wa kwamba sisi watu wa hapa hatutaki vurugu, hatutaki fitina. Mtu akuja aombe kura pole pole, hauze sera ya candidate yake, sio kutuletea kisirani hapa na vita. Niko kanategwo. Niseme nisiseme. Niseme nisiseme. Unajua jana nimefika pale Siakago, nimesema nimefika safari hii. Na safari hii sina haraka ya kutoka, niko area. Niko area. Mimi nitatoka hapa tarehe 28. Na nitatoka hapa tukiwa na Lendan Mudhende nikimpeleka bunge. Kwa hivyo wale watu ambao wamefika Ibere North wiki hii tumewakaribisha. Hapa ni mahali pa amani. Lakini musituletee vita, musituletee wahuni, musikuje kutukana viongozi wa Embu County ama viongozi wa Ibere. Sijui kama mnaelewa. Mimi nataka niseme hivi. Niseme ya kwamba si nimewaambia mimi nimekuja hapa sehemu mbalimbali za Ibere North kutoka zamani. Kutoka zamani, sio kutoka jana. Na mimi hapa katika hii sehemu, mimi najua nikiwa deputy president for the last 1 year. Nikiulizwa ile mambo nimesaidia kusukuma ifike hapa Embu County, ifike hapa Ibere North, tukishirikiana na viongozi ambao wamechaguliwa hapa, naweza hesabu na nitahesabu saa hii.
Togo skabosio korende totigarite asense meyo ya siasa nero muraiwe kiama kiria kia Wiper moske Steven Kalonzo Musyoka nigo arime ya magarini gotoka ekaunti ya Kilifi ase emambia yeri tukoria rero aigora chiobisi chie kiama kia Wiper ensemo ya Malindi ekaunti yo ya Kilifi waniga gose Chinsa chiga nigo baika osomo basorero nigo baika ase bungeri ya magarini ase arinega bare kurwa ense mere ya upinzani anene mono ase ekiama kiragia DCP gekora wanere oyo kabiro mokonyi bo muraiwense omoske Rigathi Gachagua. Kalonzo nigo agenderere kumwakira ekoko omoske Stanley Kenga Karisa oyorache kubore kirokyo bujumbe bwe bunge ya magarini ense ekiama kiragia DCP gekora wanere Rigathi Gachagua. Leo nitawaita viongozi ndio muone, lakini hapa kwanza atawasalimia Mheshimiwa Eugene Wamalwa kutoka Ingo. Huko si mbali sana. Wangapi anamkaribisha Eugene Wamalwa huko? Mwingine ambaye tunaandamana naye ni secretary katibu mkuu wa chama cha Wiper, Senator Shakila Abdalla kutoka Lamu. Mwingine tunaandamana naye na ndiye mwenye ndiye mambo yote leo, kwa sababu yeye ndiye mwenye candidate kwa niaba ya ndugu yetu Rigathi Gachagua. Hii ni drone. Hii inapiga picha na kupeleka London kila mahali. Tuwapigie makofi hawa. Alafu napata salamu kutoka kwa ndugu Rigathi Gachagua. Wangapi wanapokeza salamu? Sasa nikiwasalimia, nikisema Wiper, unanipa komboa Kenya, sio? Nikisema komboa Kenya, nipe 1 term.
Sinyi ni watu wa one town. Nimeongea na mzee mmoja pale akanipa maarifa. Akasema hataki kusikia kitu ambacho kinaitwa at broad based. Hiyo ni wizi mtupu ama sivyo? Wiper. Wiper. Komboa Kenya, one town. Komboa Kenya. Komboa Kenya. Komboa Kenya. Stanley Kenga. Komboa Kenya. Usimpe one term. Sinamna hiyo. Huyu anakuja kukomboa Magarini. Nikisema Stanley Kenga, sema bunge. Stanley Kenga. Bunge. Stanley Kenga. Bunge. Stanley Kenga.
Tokorwa sensemeyo ya siasa tagende kurigereria ensemeria yetsemi awaso muraiwense Daktari William Samoei Ruto akwaneire amaunchire nabo igalikiraniri ase myaka 3 abaire ase oburai kurukwana korwa enyomba y'oburai ya State House chingaki arekoya university eri ya grade sa echata Ruto nigo akwanerete ogochenchiwa koru kumurobere OCBC gosi CBET gochia CBET ase boigo akwanerete umurobere bokwena na pesa gochiase chi university na boigo agakonera osagateba nagendrete kolika aborokia bunenchira yamo yogo isania aborokia ase chiskura ase boigatete insi morobero yo CBET gose CBC nigo baragendre kwagacha chi laboratory bunenchira yamo yokone kyabuna aboroki wabo ngomanya bari kiri bagosoma.
But I am very confident today that 3 years down the line, we have straightened the CBC curriculum. We have brought the stakeholders on board, and in fact, we have transitioned from competence-based curriculum to competence-based education and training, what we now call CBET. There is now greater alignment, greater understanding from learners through teachers to parents. Number 2, we have more or less solved the problem of teacher shortage. In the last 3 years, by next month, we will have hired 100,000 teachers. Again, to close the gap on teacher shortage. And we have invested more resources, working with members of parliament, working with development partners. We have built an extra 23,000 classrooms across. And my instructions to the ministry is that now we expand laboratories by another 1,600, is it, Julius? Yes. 1,600 laboratories, especially in schools that are in remote areas. It is not right that a student comes to do an exam in a laboratory for the first time they are entering a laboratory. So it is very important that we close the gaps in those spaces. And number 3, we have now changed the university funding model. Instead of focusing on the institutions, we decided to focus on the student. Now we have a student-focused university funding model so that we assess every student on the basis of merit and on the basis of ability. And therefore, it is not possible anymore to lock out any student. And we want to make it possible for all our learners to have equal access to university education.
Asensemo ya ye omwaziri wetsemi Moske Julius Migose niga kwandete obuya bw'echi university cy'abanyene gose chi private universities ase boigo akwanirete aboroki gwabatanga ni bo morobiro OCBET abo barachi goso chi university omwaka 2029 nagoteba bune wizara y'oburen yetsemi nigo babekire emirobiro kone kebuna chinga ky'abana abo bagochi goso ase chi university omwaka oyo ngonyora bare biri baganete eriyo kogenderia masomo Your
Excellency, the award of charter to Gresa University also signifies the important role of the private sector in playing in our higher education sector in Kenya. Private universities have created more education and training opportunities for students, absorbed government-sponsored students, and introduced market-responsive programs. We will continue to work in partnership in order to build an effective and competitive higher education system in our country. One of the key ways by which Your Excellency's administration is doing this is by providing loans to private university students through the Higher Education Loans Board. Through the relevant agencies like the Commission for University Education, we work with both public and private universities to enhance quality and promote high standards in the subsector. Presently, we are also supporting our universities in developing programs that are aligned with the competency-based education and training as we prepare to admit the first cohort of CBET students in 2029. We have developed a draft national implementation roadmap to guide universities in this transition. We've already achieved key milestones, such as the alignment of teacher education programs with the competency-based education framework, and continue to build the capacity of universities' staff on CBE.
Na togochi gokorera umu Archbishop Anthony Muheria we akidiocese ya Nyeri nigo aruro kubolia gochia sebiombe ao abaraina boigo chikanisa kogendera gusira abana bali baganitie osabamyete negatie mechando ao anene mono omuchando oribwa utsim gose egati abana bali babwato omuchando bweriogi na boigo chinkwana chabo gose gwatora egati ya mangana. Muheria nigo atebire buna ekanisa abarai na boiga byombe mabwonerete kubwatira abana boko babaire nonyene school banyore chikostia maboko asengenja sama tukaribose naboko nyora bakonyekire ase boigo akwanire egati y'abantu bari ababwate umuchando yukorende bamenyete obugima bunabande.
The difficulties that the children have in this particular syndrome, the autism, not to be too scared to come and seek assistance. Don't look for solutions in just prayer. I am a bishop and I would like that they learn how to pray that God gives them help. But the most important thing is to discover there is a therapy. So if you have someone of a child who has delayed in speech, or a child who is not able to communicate, or a child who has got traits of noise making, of spinning, of not communicating, come. We will be able to work with the child in our therapy center. And we can be assured that child is a wonderful child. That child can become even a genius. But we just need to help him overcome that, or help her overcome that particular circumstance that they find themselves in. It's an area that we all get excited because we see the change, the child from the time the therapy starts to the child when it reaches, and then to see people who are lawyers, who are engineers, who even St. Thorlak, a bishop, and they were autistic, but there was someone there to work with them. And that is the amazing thing that today we are celebrating. Today I would even say it's just support. It's a celebration of realizing that we have a task, everybody, to help families and to help these children.
Mwanchomuriga enkwane yoyo mu Archbishop nere gotokira mwere w'Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere asinchira yo wengo mwere korende chikoraga Chinsa 10 ntira nega tokoretera yo muna yanda asinchira yo wenge boigo twaro borigiri borobia asomoro biro Getembe TV okobwate nchengoro kwa Catherine Nyaboga Vanessa Nyaboga kurasomo na wimanyero kurasudia kabere maikuyus nero rukoneke buna chibichechi na Mario Ingo ikira chira asinchira yo boikira.
Eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubwatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi mense ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyigo chire chichi brand ao ejo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabondo mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko y'nyumba chire chikomentre nigwa amavuta yani oil ya wigo chiria chia mache inyuranga chirange chiga nigo chiri kurwase chire chiri guririke iriria gatigati gwikari guri ria bantabati moigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo gwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganie gwochoganire erangiriga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na gwokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora gwikirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi aboigo Ekeonga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eywerangene duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Welcome to Timiza School, where excellence is nurtured and dreams come alive. Located along Kisii Highway at Nyosia 1, Timiza School is now admitting learners for 2026 from playgroup to grade 9. At Timiza, your child is taught by TSC certified teachers expertly trained in the CBC curriculum, ensuring they excel holistically. We go beyond the basics by offering French and Kenyan Sign Language, preparing learners to thrive in a globalized world. Our modern facilities are designed for comfort and excellence. Spacious, well-equipped classrooms, comfortable and secure boarding facilities, modern and clean washrooms, clean and safe water for drinking. We inspire innovation and curiosity through the state-of-the-art science and computer labs. At Timiza, talents are nurtured through a variety of co-curricular activities, including football, basketball, swimming, chess, scouts, and inspiring music programs. With adequate training equipment, our reliable and affordable transport system ensures your child's safety and convenience. Don't miss